Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hot chocolate using cocoa powder. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a small pinch of salt. Also, have 1 cup of your preferred liquid, like milk or water, ready. These simple items are the foundation for a rich and comforting drink. Next, let's combine the dry ingredients. In a small saucepan, whisk together the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and the 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Don't forget to add that tiny pinch of salt. It truly brings out the chocolate's depth. Mixing these dry components well now ensures a smooth, lump-free hot chocolate later, which is key for a perfect texture. Now it's time to add the liquid. Gradually pour in your 1 cup of milk or water while continuously whisking the mixture in the saucepan. Place the pan over medium heat. Keep whisking gently as it heats up to prevent scorching and ensure everything is well incorporated. Heat until it's hot and steaming, but be careful not to let it boil, as this can affect the flavor. Once your hot chocolate is perfectly heated, carefully pour it into your favorite mug. This is where you can get creative with toppings. Consider adding a dollop of whipped cream, a handful of mini marshmallows, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon or chocolate shavings. Take a moment to savor the warmth and rich flavor of your homemade hot chocolate. Enjoy every comforting sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.